Lesson 2, applicable form sections and subsections. In this lesson, we'll go through the application form for registering as a professional technician. As you will know, registering as a professional technician is for you solving well-defined problems. Difference between you and technician, technologist is they have to solve broadly based problems. So jumping on to the form and looking at the applicable sections, form C1.1 will be applicable. Form C1.2 will be applicable. Form C1.3, your academic record, will be applicable. The sheet C1.1 is just for information purposes. Actually, it's highlighting what you have to fill in or how you have to fill in. Same for sheet C1.2, it's just information. You don't have to fill that in. Form C2.1 TERPN. This will be utmost important, applicable for you to submit your application. Form C2.1 TEO PN will also be applicable. So either you're going to fill in this one or this one of the two, and then you will then fill in the number of periods or reports that you want to put in. Then form C2.3, your engineering report will be very much important. And then form 2.2, form C2.2 will be important, which will just be the summary of all the TER or TO that you've put up there. You see, these are the numbers for the period 1, period 2, period 3, as you would have put it up there. Then sheet C2 is not important, it's just information. Then form C3, this will be important for you to send as a letter or an email to the different referees. Then form C4 REF will also be important for you to send to your referees. Sheet C4, not important. And form C5 IPD, this is important. Sheet C5, not important. And form C18 EDR is not important. You don't actually have to put this one in. This you will put if you it says applicants not in possession of an ECSA accredited national diploma in engineering should complete this work-based learning experience learning report. This maybe is for someone who does not have a qualification that ECSA recognizes. So this, for most of the people that are going to view this from YouTube, this is not important. And then this here, where you declare whether you're disabled or not, this will be important. And that concludes our form. Yeah. Now, I want you to recognize that this application form, there's not much of difference except the form letters that they use for this specific category. But there's not much of a difference between this and the application form for the technologist. And so that is how we conclude the applicable forms that you must fill in. Thank you.